This video will tell you about one of the important management approaches known as participative management. What is participative management? It is an approach which gives everyone in the organization an opportunity to contribute their skills, knowledge, and talents to improve the organization. Participative management is a management technique which gives everyone in the organization. We know that an organization is a heterogeneous group of employees. So each employee or each member of the organization will be given an opportunity. An opportunity for what? To contribute individuals' talents, skills and knowledge so that it will result in improvement of the organization. So this style of management is called a participative management. Another meaning of participative management, it is a process of involving those who are influenced by decision in making decision where everyone makes certain that everyone gets their needs met. It is a process, it involves those who are influenced by decision. In what? In making decision for them. So that everyone makes certain that everyone's get their needs met. Coming to the characteristics of this management approach. First one, it is a method which gives the employee or which makes an employee responsible, accountable and authority over their work. It gives responsibility and accountability and authority for an employee to their work. Thus, they will become committed to their doing. Second characteristics, it is a simple tool for employees to improve their work performance. Third characteristics, it provides an environment to make employee needs known to everyone and creates a vehicle for improved communication between different areas of the organization. By participating management, as we have seen in the beginning, it makes every employee's needs known to everyone. So there is improved communication and awareness of everyone's needs. Third characteristic, increasing job satisfaction by increasing the participation of each employee. Then it is a team management approach and it is the growing trend nowadays. It is an innovative management philosophy. It also finds practical solution and design better the business practices. It offers managers and employees a renewed sense of pride and it is a joint venture of decision making. These are the 7 important characteristics of participative management. Why participative management is required or what is the need of participative management? Everyone is result oriented. Participant management will make every employee result oriented. Then always 2 heads are better than 1 head. It draws resources out of mind, not just the body. Not only body, but the mind of an employee is also utilized as resources in participating management. In this type of approach, people are of utmost importance or people are considered as the important asset of an organization. Then company productivity, its commitment to the involvement of its employee is the key of participating management. These are the 5 reasons why or what is the importance of participating management. Coming to the elements of this management approach. First element, there is group problem solving. Second, group discussion. Third, consultation. Fourth, periodic meeting. And fifth one, delegation of the task or work. These are the 5 elements of participating management. Then how to implement or how participative management to be implemented by a manager. There must be multiple supervisors to manage different employees. Then it relies on workers' knowledge and also find out what went wrong and how to get it solved or fixed. These are the three approaches to implement participative management. There must be multiple supervisors. They rely on workers' knowledge and find out where or what went wrong and get it corrected. We will see now why participative management is important in nursing. First reason, in the healthcare sector or in the hospital fabric, shared governance and participative management are features of professional practice model. Nowadays, professional practice model involve or inculcate shared governance and participative management as its important features. So it is important in nursing. Second reason, staff nurses are directly involved in challenges related to direct patient care. So, these professional group, that is, the staff nurses, can suggest better workable solution related to or overcoming these challenges. Thirdly, problem solving and goal attainment are more likely to be successful when the person who are affected by the decision are involved in decision making, which we have seen in the beginning as the meaning of participative management. Because of these three reasons, participative management or shared governance are important in nursing. Now we will see 11 skills required for effective and successful implementation of participative management. Number one, interest and concern both from the employee and the employer in participative management. Second, recognize and enhance talents in other persons. Third, recognize and work around the weakness in others. Fourth, communication, particularly listening. Fifth one, conflict resolution. Sixth one, negotiation, which is nothing but a win-win approach is implemented in solving problem where both parties take the advantage. Seventh one, compromise to arrive at a conclusion. Seventh, synergy, that means combine efforts to achieve a goal rather than individual efforts. Ninth one, self-control of the employees and employer. Tenth one, teaching ability of employee and employer each other. And the 11th one, flexibility from both employer and employees. These are the essential qualities. Now we will see what participative management is not. It is not permissiveness. It is not the weakness. It is not involvement in trivia. It does not mean giving up authority. It does not mean giving up all decision making. It does not mean postponing. So these six things does not come under participative management. Now we will see benefits of participative management. Number one, there is excellent care delivery to the patients, increased productivity and efficiency in the organization. There is better communication among the employees. There is reduced turnover and absenteeism from the side of workers. There is better decision making. It will result in high employee morale because there is acquiring of knowledge, development of skill, reward for accomplishments and maintaining of interest of the employees in the organization. The seventh one, there is improved job satisfaction. There is greater trust of an employee in the employer and there is better teamwork since every member of the organization is involved in this management approach. And lastly, there is faster adaptation to change by an employee. Coming to some disadvantages or limitations of this approach. First one, it is not appropriate or suitable for every organization or every nursing unit. Then the employees need to be involved and interested. Then only it will be successful. And they must be competent and they should have adequate knowledge. Also, there must be trust and confidence between parties involved. To conclude this video, you give worker an inch and he gives you back a mile. If applied properly, participative management acts as a boom for better efficiency, effectiveness and performance of employees. Thank you very much for listening.